And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween! Welcome to the 5th grade flea market. A flea market is a place for 5th grade where they buy something that they get to fidget with or like use at home. We earn class cash by turning in our homework on time, and we have this thing called table points, and the top 3 tables get class cash too. So, yeah.
This is Sea Lion leader Lily Nomavuga with this week's announcements. The attendance challenge begins on Monday morning. Be sure to come to school 5 days in a row so we can beat Weaver. Join the fun in the wellness room on Monday to create some Dia de los Muertos artwork. Violin rehearsal is on Monday after school. Violin rehearsal is on Tuesday after school. Keep practicing for your performance. College Day is on Wednesday. Wear your favorite gear and celebrate your bright future. Sea Lion chorus rehearsal is in room 13 on Wednesday after school. Pageant practice is in the gym after school beginning at 2:20 p.m. Keep working on those dance moves. On Friday, we're going to celebrate all the amazing veterans and their families. Come to our flag deck and celebrate their brave sacrifice. Let's cap the week off with PTA's movie night. Be sure to bring a chair, wear warm clothes, and watch Bad Guys 2 with the Sea Lion community. We are selling snacks at the event. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Hey Maga, next week we have the attendance challenge.
We need you to be here from November 3rd to November 7th.
We need to average 98% attendance to win.
The only way we will win is if you show up 5 days in a row.
You get a custom K-pop Demon Hunter brag tag if you show up 5 days in a row, no matter what.
When we win, Mrs. Wood and Mr. Larson are going to have to dye their hair pink and purple.
We'll also play Golden on the announcements when we win. You know, together we're golden. Let's beat Weaver together. Let's get that brag tag!
You gotta be there for pink and purple hair.
Show up all 5 days because school is cool. Let's beat Weavers. We got a robot.
All right, print it in. High five. High five. Nice.
UTK.
It's time to find out who is our Rawbuck winner this week. In UTK, Miss Elaney wants to celebrate Brixton Catuli. She said that Brixton helped clean up the trash and keep our classroom clean after we finished a cutting project. Thank you, Brixton, for your help and for caring about our classroom community. You're awesome.
Kindergarten.
Miss Yejin wants to celebrate kindergarten student from Miss Fox's class, Kingston Berg. She said that Kingston saw that a TK student dropped her lunch, so he helped her pick it up and also helped her to her table. Thanks so much, Kingston. That's what leadership is all about.
First grade.
Mrs. Monteleone is thrilled to celebrate first grader Ryan Anderson. She said that Ryan has had the best week inside and outside the classroom. He's making great choices and using those raw behaviors.
Second grade.
Mrs. Samari wants to celebrate second grader Colton Parkinson. She said Colton had a great STEM class. He had great conversations about anglerfish and he showed so much patience. Thanks, Colt.
Third grade.
Team Franderson is looking to celebrate third grader Amelia Ramirez. They said that we are working on active listening and Amelia is knocking it out of the park. Way to go, Amelia. You are a Sea Lion leader.
Fourth grade.
Miss Lou wants to celebrate superstar student from 4th grade, Presley Olvera. She says thank you for being so flexible and sitting in a new spot. You rock!
5th grade.
Mrs. Anderson wants to celebrate 5th grader Ethan Moj. She said that Ethan used his words and showed maturity while waiting for the bus. We're so impressed. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!